are going to battle out. They were the winners of round 1, and let's see who's going to go to forest.
We're going to race them in the this much big track. We will exchange enough for the full track. That is the launcher. That thing is the stopping web, and here it is lots of connectors, and this is the starting web. You can see a little bit white color thing right here. We push this thing because we launch.
Porsche Panamera E Hybrid.
And here comes Porsche Panamera. He happens to his modern quick and 6 spot. Here he. Oh. Quick and sick.
So first up, we got Quick and Sick. Here we go. Jenny, let's not get Victorian. Here comes Skull Crusher. Skull Crusher.
Oh, couldn't.
There goes Skull Crusher. Oh, not able to land it.
Here goes Twin Dachshund. Here comes Twin Dachshund. Wow, looks like he's going up and down and couldn't enough to. Wow, he hits a fighting missile and the worst way.
So let's try High Tech Missile.
Now we got High Tech Missile. If we are going to put this car much faster and couldn't take the landing.
There goes High Tech Missile. Oh, runs off the track, not able to land it.
Let's race with Joker car. Here comes Joker car. It goes much faster. Oh. Joker car, here it goes max and gets off the track. And he gets by Skull Crusher.
My favorite car, Zero, are going to battle out.
Let's see how he's won. There goes Zero blazing to the track.
There goes Zero. His front tire and his back tire, the side did land but goes off.
Let's see how the Porsche is going to do.
So let's see the Porsche 917 L8. Up in the side, that wheels going down and put that with it.
Here comes the Porsche and it looks like he's going to make it.
Midnight Auto now takes on the track.
Oh, here he goes on Porsche. And he collects it.
There comes Midnight Auto. There he goes. Wow, jump. Also lands it. Very nicely heading towards the finish. And can he make it? And easy makes.
Here goes football car.
Now this football car. Here he goes.
Football car coming high jumping. Here he goes and couldn't collect it. Wow, devastating wreck hits off Joker car. These two cars made it to the finals. Let's see who's the champion.
Here is the car that made it fully to the end. We got the Porsche 917 L8 and Midnight Auto. Here they go. Not in the Porsche 917 L8 lead, Midnight Auto chasing down. Porsche 917 L8 still nothing lead, and the Porsche 917 L8 is our winner and is the king of the hill.